Hi guys, Levi here. I just wanted to take a minute to share something really special with you. Today marks an exciting new chapter in the guided practice routines journey. For those of you that are new to the channel or only know me through my transcriptions, about 10 years ago I started a concept called guided practice routines, or GPR, and it was really born out of wanting to create a better way of getting results for my students. It started with a pretty simple idea, to go beyond the lesson by providing actual practice routines students could follow along with. A traditional guitar lesson usually means seeing a teacher for an hour a week and they cram that hour full of information, quickly brush over some exercises, and then you're expected to remember it all and motivate yourself to actually do it. Well, the guided practice routine method is like having a teacher and a personal trainer at the same time. You learn something and then you're meticulously guided through a practice routine where we can play all of the exercises together. It's education and accountability all in one. Now over time it grew way beyond what I ever imagined. Between the books, the Patreon and hundreds of practice routines, it's reached over 100,000 guitarists around the world, and honestly it's been one of the most rewarding things that I've ever done. But I always knew that there was a way that I could take it to another level. Something easier to use, better organised, more interactive, and just an overall richer experience for anyone who really wants to commit to getting better at the guitar. So today, I'm thrilled, like genuinely so excited, to officially announce the launch of guidedpracticeroutines.com, a brand new platform dedicated to delivering the best guitar lessons imaginable through what I truly believe is the best format, the guided practice routine system. This has been a huge undertaking. It's taken years of planning, filming, writing, and organising hundreds of hours of work to make sure it's the absolute best that it can be. Inside, you'll find a full library of courses, lessons, workouts, and live streams with new content added every week. Every single thing is designed to take the guesswork out of your practice and help you make real noticeable progress that you can actually hear in your playing. All of the new courses are fully integrated with Sound Slice, so you can slow things down, loop sections, and see the notation and tab in real time. It really takes the practice experience to another level. There's also an exclusive community where we can all share progress, ask questions, and support each other. It's truly the most complete realization of the guided practice routine vision that I've been able to offer. Honestly, this feels like a brand new chapter for guided practice routines. It's something I've dreamed about for years, and I'm incredibly proud of what it's become. So if you've ever used one of my books or done a Patreon routine, or just want to take your playing more seriously, this is the next step. I'd love for you to come and check it out. There's even an exclusive launch discount just this week, so signing up now is actually cheaper than my Patreon was, and that ends at the end of the week. I'll drop the link in the description so you can see what it's all about. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for all of the support over the years. It truly means the world to me and my family. I hope to see some of you guys inside. Any questions? Sound off below. I'm always reading and happy to get back to you. Much love.